flexibility versus mobility. So with contortionists and such, and circus performers, performing artists, you get a lot of flexibility. You can hold your leg up, you can bend your back quite far, but can you control it through that? So flexibility is a little bit more passive. Like if you pull your leg up and you can hold it there, great. You have that range of motion. But then when you think of mobility, can you actively lift your leg up and hold it there, or stabilize it there and protect it so that it can move within that range rather than having something else extrinsic or external helping you, whether it's your arm or a partner or something else. And so when you have that excess mobility in your body, you need to be able to control it that much more, or else when you fall into it, which is easy because you have that range of motion, you have that much more risk of injury or damage in that area, because all of a sudden your muscles are like, what do? I don't even know how to stabilize or control in this position. Does that make sense?